this part we are going to discuss the initial state. These code are being discussed in the previous slides. So the initial state is equal to Q0 is our initial state, comma final state is final state is we have two final state. Q1 is our final state and Q2 is also our final state. If you see that there are Q1 and Q2, both are our final states. There is no need for this one. So this is our deterministic finite. This is our deterministic finite. Now we are going to test if DFA is the name of this is deterministic finite automata. If this DFA dot accept input, the input is ABB, so it will accept this string because it be starting with A. It start with A, so it must accept this string. Print the input string is accepted. The input string is accepted. Else print the input string is rejected. The input string is rejected. Now we are going to run this code, that whether it is working or not. So it shows us this error that final state, that there must be S in between final states. So run it again. It shows another error that DFA dot accepts. Also we have missing of S. Run it again. Now it run successfully, and the input string dot ABB is accepted. It means that it will accept any strings which begin with A, and it reject a string which begin with B. Suppose BA begin with B. So if we run this script, it will reject the string. The input string is rejected. If we simply add A at the beginning of the string, it will. Now if we run this script again, the input string will be accepted. The input string is accept. So this finite automata will accept any string that begin with A and reject any string, all string which not begin with A, which begin with B, simply because there are only two input symbols, either the string will be beginning with A or B. So when the string is beginning with A, it will accept the input string, and if it is begin with B, it will reject the string. So this is a simple Python code for a deterministic finite automata.